In this video, I will be showing you how to create a save the date in Canva. Let's get started. I start on the templates page and head straight to the search bar. I type in save the date and press enter to see all the available designs. I scroll through the results, looking for the perfect style among the invitations and cards. I find this minimalist beige template and click on it to see the details. Everything looks good, so I click Customize this template to open the editor. Now that the editor is open, I'll start by updating the date. I select the large numbers at the top and change them to June 26th, 2026. Next, I want to change the vibe of the card, so I click the background and select a soft pink color from the palette. To make the date pop, I change the text color to white and then adjust the transparency to give it a more subtle, layered look. Now I'll update the names. I'll change these to Sarah and Dean. I'm also going to switch the font to Devasia to give it a cleaner look. Then I'll just resize the box and center it. I also need to update the specific event details at the bottom. I'll change the date and set the time to 9 a.m., then move the text box down a little for better spacing. For the main Save the Date script, I'm going to look for a more elegant font. I'll scroll through the options and choose Above the Beyond. I'll increase the size and shift it up so it sits nicely over the date. Finally, I'll bring the transparency of those background numbers back up to full strength to finish the look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create the perfect announcement for your special day.